Hi guys, so here are some radish seeds that I got from the plant over there, over yonder, and as you can see there are still some drying out, but there are green bits on there, so I'm waiting for it to dry out. So here I've harvested some, and then I've broken up the pods, and here are the tiny little seeds. So that is what I'm busy doing right now, and harvesting hollyhock seeds and going about the garden and harvesting deadheading plants. So that is one part of my day, early in the morning after I've watered my plants and fed the chickens and the rabbits and gave them all water and a little weeding here and there, but I try not to do too much of that because that is tiresome. Hope you have a great day. Hi there, so I wanted to show you that this is worm tea. So this is worm tea that I collected. Actually, my sister collected. She has a worm farm, and she composts, puts her compost in the worm farm and adds water on occasion and food scraps. And the worms do all the work, breaking down the food scraps. And they make worm tea, which is dark like soy sauce, and they make worm castings. And on occasion she gives me some worm tea, and what I do with it is I stir it into a big bucket with water, and it gives this nice amber colored solution, rich and full of nutrients, all natural, so it won't burn your plants, and it gives it all the nutrients it needs: nitrogen, carbon, minerals, vitamins, all from breaking down food scraps. And what I do is I go around and spread it onto plants that look like they're suffering a little bit in the heat or that need a little more nutrition, and within a few days they are going to thrive. So I am in the process of trying to figure out how to get myself a large composting composting system, vermiculture, but I have not yet been able to acquire the things that I need. So, but I am composting in place in this garden here. So I am not making waste. I'm not producing, I try not to produce as much waste as I can, and I try to recycle, reduce, and reuse everything. So sometimes it makes everything look a little unkempt, but it's not the same thing as a hoarder. I mean, I get rid of things that I don't need. So, and most of the things that I keep are natural and or have a use or several uses. So anyway, this is worm tea, and I hope you give it a try, and if I do make my system, I will show you. Thank you for watching.